Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook daily limit problem step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Time Management. Here, you'll see tools like your time on Facebook and daily limit, which track how long you use the app. Tap on Daily Limit to view your current restriction. You'll see several preset options, such as a few minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or more. To fix the problem, simply select Off. This will remove the daily limit completely and allow you to use Facebook without any restrictions. You can also come back to the Time Management section anytime to monitor your daily usage and avoid turning the limit on again by accident. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.